everyone! This is Ilocana Caregiver by Senpi Hakane. Guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa akin, please subscribe. At kalimutan kalimbangin ang aking bell para ma-notify kayo if may bago akong video. Guys, eto na naman po ako magre-review sa aking new lipstick. I bought a new lipstick of mine. I bought a Dermacol product. Ito po siya, guys. This is Dermacol liquid lipstick. And it claim niya, guys, na 16 hours last in your lip. So, and the other side, guys, is the color lip. And the other side is the intense gloss and extra care. Ito siya. Ito yung color lip. This is made in Europe. Yung pinadala sa akin, guys, wala siyang packaging. So, ganito lang po siya. And, ang nakasulat dito is long-lasting lip color. And then, apply thin film to lips and let it dry for 1 minute. After you apply the color, after 1 minute, guys, you must put the lip gloss or the color intense. Okay, guys, I will swatch in my hands. Na-try ko na siya, guys. Tingnan nyo po, yan, meron po siyang ano dito. May spot pa siya. Hindi siya talaga natatanggal. So, now I will try again here. This number 13. I will try this number 13. Yan, guys. 1 stroke only. And I will try to put also this number 10. My favorite, guys. It's very nice. Very, ang ganda ng kulay sa aking lips. One stroke only. Yan, guys. Diba ang ganda? This is very pigmented, the lipstick. But the other one is, I don't like. Sorry to say. But I don't like. Yan siya. It's very simple. Yeah. Kung gusto mo ng sobrang simple, itong bagay sa'yo. Pink na may glossy. This is number 11. Yan po, guys. So, this is it, guys. And now, guys, I will try into my lips. Okay, I will try this one. Number 13. Here, I just follow my lip line. Ang ganda. Ang ganda, guys. I'm telling you, this is very okay to me. And pag kayo din, maganda sa inyong lips. Very simple. Yan, guys, ha. Konting-konti lang yung nilagay ko sa aking lips. Antayin ko na mag-ano siya, guys, mag-dry konti bago ko lagyan ng gloss niya. So, malagkit-lagkit na siya, guys. And I put a little bit gloss. Ang ganda. With lip gloss. It's very pigmented. And I will show you if it's transferable. Yung gloss lang niya yung napunta sa aking hands. I-try po natin dito sa papel kung meron din didikit dito. Ayan po guys. Talagang wala. Ko dito is I'm using baby oil and cotton. And now we will go. Wait, this one I want to try this. And I forgot to say, yung applicator niya is not so soft, matigas siya. And let's go to my favorite, guys. This is my favorite. It's Fuchsia Pink. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's Fuchsia Pink. Very beautiful in my color. Yes. Intense gloss. I'm happy with this, guys. I really love it. And I will try also if transferable siya. And I will try also this. Konti lang siya, guys. Hindi katulad ng ibang lipstick na talagang may transfer dito. Yan. Yan, hindi masyadong madami. And now, medyo natanggal na yung tanggal yung gloss niya, kaya medyo malagkilagkit. Yan po, guys. Ganda, diba? Okay, guys, this is my Dermacol lipstick. They are so very nice.
Guys, itry po natin. Ang oras po ngayon is 1 o'clock. Dermacol. Pini-credit na dito is 16 hours daw. Tignan po natin if it will last in 16 hours.
intact pa rin yung lipstick. Magkakape ulit ako, guys. Ayan, guys. Bali, tapos na akong kumain. Intact pa rin yung lipstick ko. Intact pa rin siya, guys. Tapos na akong... Please subscribe, like, and share, and touch the notification bell, and thank you.